Okay, so we now have this wired up and good to go. Got our power pack here, our first switch to do our testing here, and our speaker. The speaker itself is very small because, like I said in the previous video, this is a limit of space. So for the battery pack, it's just running off of 3 AAA batteries. Got a little switch on the back that'll face down once I get it fit in there. And as you can see, the light is green, so that's a good start. As I said, I've only got the green switch wired up, so it's that one here.
Liberty Prime is online. All systems nominal. Weapons hot. Mission: the destruction of any and all Chinese communists.
And as you can see, it is working. So all we have to do is wire up the shutdown and the randomizer switches, and then start grinding out the bottom of the base to fit all of this in it. So far, so good.